let's pull out the box and see what we have. Bag. Oh my gosh. Coach Outlet. So today I'd like to share with you some new accessories that I have purchased for our upcoming spring season. Being that I am back in my hometown, it gets a little colder here. I'm used to being down in the low country in the south where you have beaches or weather and humidity, you know, all of the things that I love. And now I'm in a more mountainous area where it's cooler. We get snow. We've already had our first snowstorm this year, and that was very interesting for me. So with that being said, I'm sick of cold weather. I'm ready to get the spring back on. I'm ready to plant some plants. I'm ready to get my seeds started outside. So we're gonna go ahead and bring that energy in today's video. So what I have for you is an unboxing of 2 items that I have purchased for my spring collection of purses for this upcoming season 2022. I purchased this bag from Coach Outlet, which is known for their quality and also reasonably priced leather bags that will last you not only for this season's, but also seasons to come. Coach is known for their quality and work, their precision that they put into their stitching on their bags, and also their hardware. Let's pull out the box and see what we have. As a single mother, I like to, look nice, but I also like to save money. So inside that ginormous bag is my first purchase. Nicely secured in plastic, and it also has lots of air wrap in here. And you see that they sent it in a huge box, which makes it all the better. That way you're not scuffing and scratching your leather. So this is the Coach 27 in color block horse and carriage bag. It is leather. And I purchased it because I needed a larger bag, but something that would look nice with like jeans. I have a pair of blue heels, a pair of green heels that I have not paired with anything yet. And I was like, that would be the perfect addition to the wardrobe. I love the fact that Coach stands behind their products and they create stylish pieces that also fit your budget. Okay, so you get a nice leather bag for a decent price point, and that's what's important to me. Also, you can always, if your bag gets dirty, call the retail store and set up an appointment to bring your bag in. So you bring your bag in and you can drop it off for a couple of days, and they will clean and moisturize your bag for you. I keep in mind that you do have to leave it for a couple of days though. Also, the precision of their work is amazing. Being that this is a leather bag, sometimes the straps can kind of get worn out as you carry the bag, but I would like to show you the precision that they have in the stitching here around the bag, and also the craftsmanship on the stitching, which I love. Because I am an over carrier. I am one, because I'm a mother of 5, that will probably have her life inside of her bag. Because typically I'll keep and carry a bag for about 3 months. I'm just gonna be honest with you. 3 months, maybe 4. I mean, it just depends on the season and it depends on the color. So this year I really wanted to up the ante in having more accessories, especially in purses, that I can switch out throughout the year that kind of goes with what's going on in my wardrobe. So let's get into the bag. So this is the Tote 27, like I told you earlier. Look at this beautiful packaging, which I will keep, because when you store your bag, when you go to put your bag up, guys, it's imperative that you have tissues to place back in your bag so that the bag keeps its shape. You know, have you ever when you go to store a purse that you've been carrying and you don't use tissues, they lose their form, they fold over in the closet, and it's like you can't get them to stand up anymore. So the trick to keeping that from happening is keeping your tissue or purchasing tissue from like the Dollar Tree and stuffing the bags. You could probably even use newspaper if you didn't want to purchase anything. I mean, just to be budget friendly. So let's get into the inside of the bag, and I will be keeping my tissue so that I can store this. Okay, so this bag is perfect for the mother and me. Like I said, I like to carry a lot of things most times. And so having a purse that's deep enough to like drop my keys, drop my wallet that I have at the time into the bag is going to be imperative. So if you look inside here, we have our Coach bag that's lined in a green leather. That is leather, guys, if you can see it. There's no fabric. This is definitely leather on leather. Pulling this off of the hardware here. It has a magnetic close feature. So you probably, let's see, magnetic close feature. So you definitely, if you store anything in your bag, you wouldn't want to do like loose change, things like that, because if it topples over, it's going to come out because it's not zipped. So you want to make sure that you keep that in mind. So you need to have a wallet that actually carries your change, or a change purse or something like that in there. Okay, so inside the bag, you also have the Coach leather quality stamp here, and it has a number for the bag. It says, "This is a Coach bag. The story patch is our badge of authenticity. Few people will have it, see it, but it will always be a reminder of our commitment to quality and craftsmanship." So remember when I said if you take it into the store, they will moisturize it and clean it for you. I'm sure they're going to be looking for this patch to make sure that it's an authentic Coach bag. So there's also a zip pocket in here. So like if you wanted to carry change, you could, I guess, but I like to carry my change in my wallet. There's also, what is this? Oh, there's a list of how to care for the product in it as well. And then you also have the Coach tag that's also attached. Usually you have to pay for these, so the fact that it comes with this is cool. I'm loving the horse and buggy. Y'all, if you don't know anything about me, know that I love horses. I think they're so majestic and just beautiful. So I love the fact that it does have the horse and buggy on it, horse and carriage. So let's take that off. So we have gold hardware on this light baby blue and dark blue and green, y'all. You see the pops of color? I love how that comes out. And the heel that I have is really going to make this stand out. And I think it will be good for like jeans and pairing it with like a jean jacket, you know, if you're going to carry it in the winter. But I really feel like it's a quality bag that will up the ante to a casual outfit, or up the ante to, you know, like a luxury night on the town. Maybe not a luxury night. I think it will up the ante to a casual outfit for sure. And the colors meet my requirements for casual, for spring and summer. So I'm excited about my purchase. I will say one thing though, guys. Honestly, I thought that it was going to be big enough for my computer to go in. Why did I think that? I don't know, because Reagan thinks crazy things sometimes. So, but it's definitely not big enough for a computer. So I still am on the lookout for a neat little bag for my computer to carry around so that I can get all my editing done for you guys, like at the coffee shop, and not be stuck at the house and all that jazz. So, price point. So we didn't really talk about price point. This bag is available on Coach Outlet for $98.40. 100% leather bag. I just threw that, sorry. The bottom of the bag has the dark blue leather. It also is wipeable. So if you wanted to wipe it off with a cool damp cloth, you could. But like I said, you can also take it in the store. So the price point, $98.40. The original price on this bag is $328. So you're getting a steal. Why not go to the Coach outlet and make your next purchase? Now, not to go on and on, let's go on to what I got next. So the next thing I got that I'm really excited about is, yes, I did mine on horns, so what? A bangle, guys. This is a Coach bangle. I got it in gold. I have this necklace. My little sister says it looks like an old lady, but y'all, I'm absolutely in love with this. And I wanted something that would pair well with something like this. So I found a blue emblem or with a blue jewel on the inside of it, which I love, which goes with the bag, which would also go with jeans. So you can wear this at any time, guys. Its quality is amazing. You open it and close it. It has a snap spring clasp, which I love. I have a very yellowy like undertone, so golds pair well with my skin tone. So I'm absolutely in love with these. So they had several of these bangles, gold, I think silver, and each of the jewels in the middle could have been a different color. So if you're not interested in like the blue, you can go and look on their site and see if there's another color that you might be interested in. Important point is that it is not real gold, and therefore you would not shower in this or not use abrasive chemicals while you're wearing this, because you want to keep it for a long time. Now the price point for this bangle was $29.80. A lot of the ladies are wearing the Cartier bangles these days, and so if you want to see if bangles are something that you want to do, definitely check out the Coach outlet. Start out with something simple that's nicely made to see if you even like the fact of wearing a bangle, because technically you're not taking that bracelet off every day. So as a nurse, you know, you want something that's going to fit a little bit tighter. So definitely if I had a bangle that I was going to wear every day, it would need to be a little bit smaller and fitted to my wrist. It's not going to be moving around, and something that you can sanitize regularly. So this was just a neat little find. I thought it was cute. I thought it was nice to add. I thought it was gold, and it's me, and it's kind of jewelry. So we added that to the collection. So this I did not tell you about. I have one other bag to show you before we wrap this video up. So the next thing I have for you guys, I actually purchased from Burlington Coat Factory. I've been hanging out there pretty regularly. They have some great buys. If you have it in your area, definitely check it out. But this is a Bebe Kayla Camera Crossbody bag in blush. I am loving this blushy color. As you can see, I'm adding more to my collection. This sweater came from Burlington Coat Factory. It was definitely reasonably priced. I think I paid $9 for the sweater, and you can wear it this way or you can wear this part to the back, which I love. So it is reversible. I'm finding that blush and pinks actually go good with my skin tone as well. So I wanted to pick this up. So it is a crossbody. It's by Bebe. The retail price for this is $89, but I got this bag for $14, okay? You don't have to spend a lot of money to look good. You have the Bebe emblem on here, Los Angeles, which I love. Cute bag to kind of pair with the sundress if you're going to be going out. The hardware is covered with plastic, which we love, so it won't get tarnished. Now, what do we have here, guys? More tissue. Save your tissue in your bags. Keep them in there. It helps them keep their shape, okay? So when you go to put that bag up, it's not looking flat, rigid after you've carried it, okay? So we're gonna take the tissue out, but we're going to do what? Keep it. Yes. Okay, so this is just a simple bag. You can throw your wallet down on the inside. It's pretty deep, Okay, you do have fabric lining inside this bag to kind of hold any kind of like smaller wallet that you might have, or small like your lipsticks and things like that. And then it does have a zipper compartment as well for change and all of that jazz. So that is pretty interesting. You do have the Bebe emblem on the inside that's embroidered, which I love. Don't look at my nails because I need a feel. And that is our Bebe bag. Cute find. So I hope you guys enjoyed my spring reveal of some of the things that I've already started purchasing. If you've purchased some interesting things for the spring, definitely hit me down in the comments below and let me know what you got. And if you've made it this far in the video, I'd like to say thank you so much for watching. And as you know, we like to end our video with the affirmation. I prioritize things that make me feel calm and things that make me happy. Comment down below that very thing if you made it this far in the video. I prioritize things that make me feel calm and things that make me happy. Once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.